There are three ways to walk a binary tree with recursion, AU, preorder, inorder, postorder. They all use the same 6-line template. The only thing that changes is where you put the print. We'll see the preorder flow in this video. Preorder means visit the root or current node first, then go left, then go right. Every time you land on a node, you output it immediately before touching either subtree. That's the rule. Look at the print statement error, it comes before the two recursive calls. That single placement is what makes this preorder. Move it between the two recursive calls and you get inorder. Move it after both and you get postorder. We start at the root node and print it into the output immediately. Then we move to the left child. The right subtree waits IO, we'll touch it later. We are now at node 2. 2 goes into output. We recurse left again, error heading toward node 4. The pattern is the same at every node. Print first, then go left. Node 4 is a leaf on, no left child, no right child. We print 4 and both recursive calls immediately hit the null check and return. 4 is done. We backtrack up to node 2. Back at node 2, the left call is finished. Now we recurse right IO node 5. Same story, we print 5, both children are null, so we return. The entire left subtree of the root is now in the output. 1, 2, 4, 5. Both calls from node 2 are done. We unwind back to root on node 1. Left subtree is complete. Now we recurse right or we land on node 3 and print it. 3 goes in after the whole left side. At node 3, we go left first down to node 6. We print 6, no children, both calls hit null and return. 6 is done. Back at node 3 now. Now we go right from 3 to node 7. We print 7, no children, we return all the way back. That's every node visited. Final output 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6, 7. Here's the key thing to notice. The print is placed before both recursive calls shimio 0. That's the only reason this is preorder. Move it to the middle, you get inorder. Move it after both calls, you get postorder. 1 line, 3 traversals. Quick question before we wrap up, Hario, if this was a binary search tree, would preorder give you sorted output? Think about it and drop your answer in the comments. Next up is inorder Hario left, then node, then right on a BST that gives sorted output, which is why it shows up everywhere in interviews. Subscribe so you don't miss it.